Hello everyone! For those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm gonna paint watercolor birthday cake. The reason why I choose this, my husband's birthday is coming. I'm going to make a birthday card with this illustration. Also, I have special gift for you. I made a coloring card template, so if you are interested in, please see the download link below and then make your own special birthday card for your loved one. The first that we are going to paint is the background of the cake. I mixed a little bit of light pink and lots of white, a little bit of dark brown. I'll use a bigger brush for large area. Next, I'll paint cream at the top of the cake. I'll paint purple cream first. I wanted to make pastel tone cream, so I mixed white to every cream color. I'll paint the cake board. I mixed the light gray, white, and mixed a lot of water. Then simply brush the cake board a couple of times. Now I'm going to paint the background. What do you usually do on your birthday? My husband and I usually go on vacation or go to a restaurant for a dinner. But this year we decided to stay home due to pandemic. Next, I'm going to add details. I added line on the creams so it looks more natural. Next, I'll write a message on the top. Write a message with a pink pencil and then use darker peach to make a shadow. Lastly, I added white sprinkles on the cake top and body. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had fun with my watercolor cake painting. Let me know in the comment below if you struggle with any part of this painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.